To have a museum that is all for children, that is theirs, that they're allowed to touch and play, and it's all about them. I think that is a unique identifier, and most importantly, play. A word that we in the field have strayed away from and come back to, but there really is a moment of leveling the playing field for all children, regardless of their backgrounds. Whatever stress they might have in their life, play is a way of making them forget about that for a little while.
The museum was just a place to me that a lot of kids from the inner city didn't have, and a lot of kids from the inner city I got to see grow up and, turn into real positive individuals. And a lot of that came from that love of science and art that the museum kind of founded in all of us.
So the Museums for All program allows families on public assistance and those with foster care licenses admission to the museum for $3. And in its first year, we saw over 29,000 visitors. This response, compared to other cities across the country, has been overwhelming, which really has validated the fact that so many kids living in poverty or without access to resources like this had never crossed our threshold before.
We have so many members that come back almost every day, once a week, and it's amazing to see them come back. They remember your name, you remember the kids, and you make those bonds with the community. It's very important.
I'm definitely grateful for everything that the museum has meant to me personally and professionally.
There's just so much value, I believe, in Discovery Children's Museum. And this is something that kids really do remember for the rest of their life. Even if it's a one-time occurrence, they remember going to the Discovery Children's Museum and having the time of their life and learning without even knowing it half the time that they were actually observing and learning.
A child learns something here that they can take outside and spread around. It's going to make our community and world a better place.